You just film these for your own home videos, not even for the YouTube.
Well, you never know when you'll need to.
Ciao ragazzi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anise, and I'm an American living between London and Italy. Maybe you found me because of my house hunting series all about finding my dream beach villa in Puglia. Or maybe you're here because you want to learn more about the lesser known parts of Puglia. And if you are, you're in luck. Because in today's video, I'm showcasing one of my favorite unsung towns in all of southern Italy. And that is Grottaglie. Grottaglie is an awesome little town of just over 30,000 people. It's named for the many grotto-like caves that make up a big part of the city. And like most Pugliese towns, Grottaglie consists of an old town and the normal town where the majority of the residents live. Grottaglie is a pretty chill town which isn't overrun with tourists like some of the better known Puglia hotspots like Polignano al Mare, Alberobello, and so on. All around Grottaglie, the streets are lined with street art and graffiti, which is why I endearingly think of it as the Shoreditch of Puglia. The town isn't pristine like the popular Lecce, for example, but I like that. It gives the place a bit more of flavor and edge. Grottaglie has local markets, like most Italian towns, covering everything from furniture to fruit to fish. Grottaglie came on my radar because I come here occasionally to brush up on my Italian language skills. The in-person courses at Teresa's school run for 1 week, and since my beach house is not that close to Grottaglie, I usually stay in town for the week. I often travel to and stay in Grottaglie alone, and I feel safe here. Usually I'm staying in the historic center, in a super cute little Airbnb. I have stayed in both of these that you see here, and they've been great. Grottaglie is also well known for its ceramic district. Via Francesco Crispi and its offshoots is where you can find all the ceramic shops in Grottaglie. People travel far and wide just for Grottaglie ceramic district. And of course, last but not least, the food. Occasionally, Bay even swings by once my Italian courses are done, so we can take advantage of exactly that.
Why always? I love you. I know when you're filming, you get very quiet.
What do you mean? I'm not that quiet otherwise?
Definitely not.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. I guess if I'm not filming, then I'm grabbing your booty.
You just film these for your own home videos, not even for the YouTube.
Well, you never know when you need to evidence it. But I do like the home videos as well.
Yeah, it's nice to have home videos. Actually.
Yeah.
We should organize these.
Look at us. Meeting in Italy. Like two Italian lovers.
So extra. Wow.
Oh wow, this is super cute.
Se ti piace
Wow.
italiano, il menù, il QR code e la cartellina.
Ok, grazie mille. You have the keys, baby.
No, you have the keys.
I do?
Yeah,
Where are they?
in your thingy.